Hi, and welcome to the HSU Library video tutorial for searching for books online. In this short video, you will find out how to use Heritage Online, as well as how to find a book on the shelves. Firstly, head to the LibGuides homepage by using the Library Resources Bournemouth button on Moodle. Click on the Books link to open our online catalogue, Heritage Online. From the home page, you can search for books on your subject using the complete subject list, or you can use the search feature. Here you can type in a subject, title or author and then click on the search symbol. Browse through the list of results. If you want to look at a book in more detail, click the title link and this will open up a new page with all the information about the book. Here you will find the class mark. This is useful for when you want to find the book on the shelf. You will also find the number of copies of the book we have, the type of loan, the location and its status, whether it is available or on loan. If the book is on loan, you will also see the due back date. If all the copies of the book are on loan, you can use the reserve button to place a reservation on the book. It's a really good idea to write down the title of the book and the class mark, as this will help you find the book on the shelves. So, how do you find the book on the shelf? Well, here's where that class mark you wrote down comes in handy. The class mark corresponds to the numbers and letters on the book's spine. The numbers will help you find the right shelf, and the letters will help you find the exact book. The books are shelved in numerical order, starting on the left-hand side as you enter. The numbers go up as you walk down the central aisle. At the far end, the numbers continue on the other side as you walk back towards the entrance. There are signs at the end of each bay to help you find the shelf you're looking for. Sound a bit confusing? Don't worry, you'll get used to it. Here's a little video to help. If you need any help searching for a book on Heritage Online or finding a book on the shelves, ask a member of the team at the front desk. You can also contact us by email on learningservices@aecc.ac.uk or call us on 01202 436 306. Also follow us on Instagram for all things library related. Thanks for watching and happy searching!